Hello everybody, how are you? This is Andreja, and in today's video I will show you how I designed my brand new Easter charm and sticker set. I will take you with me from the very initial sketches all the way to the final vector renders. This limited edition bundle just came out on my Etsy store, so if you're looking for a present for someone who loves all things cute and pastel, you can find the links to this bundle in the description box. Alright, let's jump right into it. Okay, so I begin by sketching Bree in Photoshop CC. You will see me change her pose quite a few times. I just couldn't decide which idea to pick. In this release, I've kind of upgraded my chibi's template. First of all, she is not facing straight forward anymore, but I will be making a new 3/4 view of the face. And then secondly, I also decided to give her a longer and more slender and curvy body. It is still cute and chibi, but this new body will allow me to give my designs more intricate and detailed outfits. Since this bundle is Easter themed, I will give her some fluffy slippers, bunny ears, cute shorts, a short top and an oversized cardigan. And then on top of that, Bree will also have a cute little chick friend to keep her company. So once I am happy with the sketch, I take it into Illustrator and start tweaking the old template. Slowly, step by step, I start tweaking the template to match it with my sketch. And now I continue tracing each element one by one, starting with the ears, then I move on to the hair and so on. I must say that drawing this cute hairstyle was really fun and refreshing. I know that I've been drawing a lot of buns, but I just can't help it. Now that I have the main shapes ready, I can begin tweaking the colors and start with the shading. To me, vector illustrations are all about gradients and beautiful clean lines. This way of shading is not the most time efficient, but at least I like the end result. When I think of Easter, I think about all the pastel colors. Baby pinks, soft blues, powder yellows and dusty purples are a must, I think. And because of Bree's hair color and skin tone, I feel like pastels look really good on her. It was actually my patrons who voted for Bree for this bundle, and so many of them said that they picked her because they thought she would look amazing in soft colors. And you know what? They were totally right, and I am super glad that they've decided to pick her. Okay, I am pretty happy with how she turned out. Let's now start on the sticker set. So for this set, I decided to include some little chicks, lots of colorful Easter eggs, all sorts of decorations from cute little plants to baskets, butterflies, and even a cute little bunny. Pretty much anything that reminded me of spring and Easter. One of the biggest challenges when designing stickers is probably deciding which elements I will end up drawing. There are just so many different options that I find it really difficult to decide. Initially, I was considering drawing some feathery decorations, or some of the common Easter braided breads, if you know what I mean. My grandma used to make them every single year. And then I was also considering more cute animals like deers or some more spring flowers. It really took me quite a bit of time before I decided which elements will look good together and find a really good balance of designs that will work well next to each other. Another new thing that I tried doing is incorporating golden elements in the designs, especially as decorations on the Easter eggs. I had to create a gradient that would give the impression of gold, and I think it turned out pretty okay. In this case, it was really important that I found a good reference, that way I can pick the right shades to mimic the gold effect. That's especially important when you have any sorts of metallic effects. That's why if you wish to achieve a very realistic effect, always reference real life. Okay, it is time to color this up. As mentioned before, I will use 4 main colors: pastel pink, purple, yellow and blue. I also try to use similar colors to the charm. That way the charm and sticker set will look cohesive. By the way, what do you think about the gold effect? I really hope that someday I can make stickers that have details in gold foil. That would be so cool, but for now, this fake effect will have to do. If you by any chance know of a good company that makes custom stickers and offers gold foiling, let me know. I would love to do some more research and find a supplier. And now, last but not least, let's throw in some sparkles. And here are the 2 designs together. What do you think? And then this is the finished charm that I received from Zep Creatives, and the sticker set all neatly die cut and kiss cut to perfection in my own studio. If you want to see in more detail how I make stickers or how I order my charms, check my past videos. I pretty much go through the full process and explain every step in detail. Also, just as a reminder that I will have all of the info about the equipment that I use and other details in the description box. I really hope that you've enjoyed seeing how this Easter bundle came to life. Don't forget to check my Etsy store if you want to grab a set for yourself. This bundle, just like with the Valentine's Day Jess set, will be limited in quantities, so once it is sold out, it will be gone forever, just so you know. Alright then, it is time for me to go. Thank you so much for watching and all the support. Take care and I will talk to you again really soon. Bye!